Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm happy and delighted to present this kind of videos and help you or their clients with the buy, with the sale, and of course with rental of real estate properties at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. I'm staying now at one new build project that I want to share with you, friends, because we think that it's very interesting offer, because it's unusual to find a new build villas in Torrevieja town, in Torrevieja city. But on this case, we are on between La Mata and Torrevieja, just 2 kilometers away to La Mata beach, and we have 15 new build villas that will be done at end of this year. They will be completely delivered, and it's amazing, friends, what this project offers. I'm standing now in the communal area of this new build project, on which you have access to each villa. I will show you now the inside of this show house. It's completely done and we can show you everything. The features of this project are that by the end of this development we have a playground for children, some fitness area, and there is access from outside on which you can enter your car in the underground garage, and you have spots for 3 cars at your private closed garage, which you can access direct from the house. This villa offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a lot of space, and private roof terrace upstairs, very big, and of course swimming pool with nice outside terrace. And now, within more words, follow me and I will show you this nice villa from inside. Very good developer. It's a well-known developer that do very good quality projects. Look how spacey it is. We have 116 square meter size inside area, and everything what you see here, it's included. This project includes furniture and the white goods, so you must not to buy nothing. Even you can choose some combination, some packs of furniture. Nice, practical, modern kitchen with bar, a lot of space. It has a window. I very like this living area because you fill the space, you have access to the pool area, you have access to this small terrace here, and you have the direct access here to the pool area, which you can enjoy with all the family. And now let me show you the entrance by the stairs, by private stairs, direct to the underground garage, which I will show you a little bit later. We have 2 bedrooms, same size, with access to a small balcony that is looking to the communal area where I started to film this video. After this, we have 1 bedroom over here. Very spacey, everything is included, of course, best qualities. I think our women that are looking this video will be in love with this private dress room that this main bedroom offers, and the men's will be in love with the garage that I will show you later. So this is the main bedroom. It's en suite. It has a private nice bathroom, a lot of space, and of course the access to the pool area. Nice pool area, modern pool, and with the pre-installation for the heating system. And of course we have 1 terrace here, very important because in summertime in Spain here is very hot, so you have a covered terrace, semi-covered terrace, on which you can enjoy your summer days sitting here. And we have the water boiler and the wash machine here outside, a special storage for it, and access to the living room from this side too. So this is the storage room, but actually it offers so many space. You can convert it into gym, into home cinema, whatever you want, because you have a lot of space. 30 square meter size of storage. Men's I think you will like this. Look at this private garage for place for 1, 2, even 3 cars. Your private garage with motorized door, and we have the entrance from the outside, so you just enter your car, you park your car inside, and it's safe and very comfortable going upstairs to the villa. It's amazing. So friends, and from the covered terrace we have the access to this huge roof terrace. Maybe there's not many space in the outside, but you have all this. You can put a jacuzzi, a awakening, chill out. Many possibilities at this beautiful big roof terrace with these nice views to Torrevieja city and our pink Salt Lake, Orihuela, the mountains. So yes, one important thing to mention that here will be, now they already started with the renovation. It will be a green area and they will fix this and it will be a park. This is 100% sure. It was a park before, but now they are renovating it and they will leave a nice park on front of this nice villa. If you don't want to be here, you can reserve the other orientation that is going to the avenue. So there's not that much traffic there, and yeah, everything is close. School. This is the private hospital, and just 300 meters from here you have 2 supermarkets, Mamper and Mercadona, with a lot of shops, bars, restaurants. Everything is walking distance. Perfect place. This is one of the best places in Torrevieja to live or to have holidays, even to live, because everything is nearby, and yeah, it's a very nice place. I'm surprised with this project. When I came here, me and my colleague, we were like, wow, big roof terrace, huge garage, private entrance, very good qualities. I'm very happy with the qualities. Everything is very good done. Yes, it's a very nice project, and that's why we filmed this video and we share this project with you. Starting prices starts from 595,000 euro. The villas are same. The only thing that changed is a little bit the plot and the garage. It can be bigger or a little bit smaller, but all rest is everything same. You can choose your orientation, where you want to have the view. Yes, it's amazing. So please, if you are interested, don't mind to contact me. I leave you my contact details here on this video and the phone number. If you have any questions, if you need a floor plan, if you want to come to see it because the show house is done, you can come contact me anytime. Well, this is all. I wish you all the best. Subscribe this channel, share this video with your family, friends and lovers, and I see you next time at our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.